Hello and welcome to Ripcaster. We're a hi-fi retailer based between Reading and Oxford in the UK, about 40 miles west of London. Today's video is a quick unboxing of the latest streamer from LUMIN. This is the U2 Mini, the successor of the original U1 Mini. The U2 Mini is a transport-only streamer designed to be connected to some form of external DAC. This unit is one of the first to arrive in the UK a few days ago, so let's have a look at what's inside the box. Okay, so we switched to a slightly different angle, so let's, following all safety procedures, have a look what's inside the box. Open up the box. And it's a box inside a box. Okay, so the box inside the box reveals a slightly prettier enclosure. Serial number and the model number. This one's in black. They're available in black or in silver. And there's another seal on the bottom here, which we'll just open with our knife. Let's open it up. And inside we've just got the protective foam. The actual unit itself is well cushioned inside here, and it's held in a protective cloth. So we'll just put that on one side. And what else have we got in here? In the bottom we've got a quick start guide and safety information. And in the bottom we have also got the accessory pack, which contains the UK mains plug and Ethernet cable. So very simple, well packed, no nonsense. Box on one side. Okay, so there you have it. Very petite little device. It's actually finished very nicely. Quality is good. Slightly, I'd say, higher quality finish, premium finish to the anodizing than the original U1. So I think what we'll do now is put this on the turntable and give it a quick 360 spin. Give it a quick 360 now. It's got an anodized aluminium front panel. Very high quality, I'd say, with the LUMIN logo, and then I guess this is a folded steel or aluminium case. Very simple design. As we come around the back, you can see the connectors on the back, and we'll go through each of those in a second. So very simple, straightforward design. So we've got a blue vacuum fluorescent display on the front, which when it's powered on. If we go through it's got 5 digital inputs. So over here we've got an EBU connection digital, we've got a BNC coaxial, we've got a RCA coaxial, here we've got an optical, here we've got some USB inputs, and then we've got the network connection here for the Ethernet. And over here we've got the IEC mains connector, and there's a mains power switch on the back here as well. So universal power supply, so it automatically senses whether it's European, UK or US power supplies. Worldwide compatibility. Whilst we've got it on the turntable, we'll just go through the main features. So this is a more powerful platform than the predecessor. So it's got a faster processor, provides greater resampling flexibility, upsampling and downsampling to every supported format from DSD256 to PCM384 for optimal performance for matching with your DAC. Comes with a Lear processing volume control. This is an innovative lossless digital volume control adjustment algorithm that eliminates rounding errors, so you get a better digital volume control. The U2 Mini supports native MQA decoding. It's a Rune-ready device. It's got native support for Tidal, Tidal Connect, Qobuz, Spotify and AirPlay. and it's all controlled by the LUMIN app for Apple iPhone, Android, iPad and Apple Silicon Macs. The increased processing capacity will allow for future software updates and enhancements, and the casework has been, as I've mentioned, has got a higher, more premium finish similar to the LUMIN P1. It's got an enhanced quad native clock giving more precise timing, and as we've seen off the rear, it's got 5 digital outputs to allow you to connect a variety of ways to your DAC. Brief intro to the new LUMIN U2 Mini. Digital transport. I invite you to visit us at Ripcaster so you can hear the U2 Mini and the rest of the LUMIN range. Thanks for watching.